Hi, right, so Cookie's shown you a couple of different the healing brush method of cleaning an image. I'm going to show you a couple of others which are really quite easy. So what we're going to do is this. We've got the image, as you can see, so we're going to use the selection tool. I'm going to select around the lettering. Should maybe have gone a little bit further with that, but that's okay because I'm going to show you the other bit afterwards. Right, so using your eyedropper, find the colour. With the paint bucket, you need to add a new layer first. Right, so then drop the colour on. Right, so get rid of the selection. And then with this one, you've got blur, sharpening, smudge. I'm going to use smudge. Go from to the outside like so. You see? And it smudges the lettering over. And there you go. That's one method. Bear with me a second. Let me just remove that layer. Wrong one. Delete layer, not duplicate. There you go. So we're back to the beginning. Right. The other method is this, using your selection tool, hit an area that is similar to what you're wanting to cover, edit and copy, and then edit and paste, and then using you can pull it over, and then edit and paste again, edit and paste again. Right, let's see if we can smudge it over. You ready? Using smudge tool. This is where you want to go to the outside, as you see, because I just uncovered it slightly. And there you go. Using smudge. Covered it. You can also use blur. We just go back. There. Now you can blur it, but it's not going to work on this one, which is why we're using smudge. Smudge that last bit over. And there you go. That is how you do it.